So how does it work if you want to save an iCloud video locally on your iPhone? So, well, it is all set up in a way that it all happens automatically and that you don't really have to do anything. But then it gets a little bit confusing because if you have the iCloud photo synchronization turned on, when you open up the gallery, you don't know which photo or video is stored locally and which is on the cloud, which makes it very confusing. So there are a few things you can do. At first, you can open up the settings app and tap on your name at the top, which can lead you to the iCloud. And there, you can turn off syncing of the photos completely. So if you have it turned on, you can turn it off. It will most likely ask you whether you want to delete or keep the iCloud files, and based on that, you get to pick, of course. But if you stop the syncing completely, you can be assured that every single file inside of your gallery is stored locally, right? So this is how you can do this. However, the thing which I like to do is instead of relying on the gallery or like the Photos app to access iCloud videos, I instead open up the Safari web browser. I just type in iCloud.com into the URL and I just sign into my iCloud, but through a web browser. If you do it through Safari, then you can just use Face ID to authenticate yourself. So it's very easy. And then you can get inside and browse your photos section. And what's really great about it is that now you are sure again that these videos and photos you can see inside of this web page of your iCloud are most definitely stored on iCloud, right? So you can see the distinction. And if you want to, you can select any of those videos and hit download, right? So you can download them locally to your photos. And now it doesn't matter if you save them to the Files app or Photos or even some kind of third-party file browser, you can be sure that when you downloaded the video from the iCloud website to your phone, then that video is stored locally, right? So this is how I like to see the difference between the photos stored on the phone and stored on the cloud. Unfortunately, this is how it works. I would, to be honest, I would love to see a little iCloud button inside of the Photos app so I could distinguish the photos. But, it's all put and mixed together if you have the synchronization enabled. So, yeah, that's how it works. This is the best thing I came up with. So let me know below in the comments what you think about it, if you have found it useful so far. For more guides and videos like this one, subscribe and stay tuned so we can see each other in the future as well.